Okay, another video here. We got an infrared smart heater, and it's supposed to work with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So this is for a garage. We're gonna hang it on the wall because it gets a little cold in there when we're playing video games and whatnot. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, here's the heater, and it comes with a template for hanging with a little balance on it, so you can hang it up and make sure it's straight, and then some other stuff here to help with putting it in and whatnot. So let's go ahead and put it up on the wall, and you know, it's got the little marks for you right here where you need it, so that you can do it perfectly. All right, let's plug it in. Just real quickly, you got to pop this cover off here to access the AC plug here. So let's go ahead and get that plugged in. All right, just to let you know, it has these little base anchors that come in here too. So what you'll do is do the two top screws first, as it says on here, and then you will screw in the screws to the base anchor. And so it should be perfectly mounted, so that we can get it done like that. It also comes with a little remote control, just FYI. So here's our little setup. I'm gonna put it like right here because there's already a plug there on the wall in our garage. You know, we have a little PlayStation area set up out here. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and, I know that there's a stud because that's how they, you know, put in these outlets. They usually attach it to a stud. So I'm gonna find one stud there, and then we'll do the others with just the drywall screws. All right, so what I did is I did a recessed outlet here, and I used the template for the 4 screws. So you gotta hook it onto these top ones first, and then you put it against the wall, and then you screw in the screws on the bottom one so it holds in place. And so I've gone ahead and shortened the cord a little bit. As you can see, you can kind of hide it behind here and put the cover on it, so you can plug it into your recess there, and hopefully it'll fit snug. Just real quickly on how to add your Alexa or Google Assistant. You got to add this app in here. There's instructions on it. Pretty simple if you've ever added anything else to your home network. And so just follow the instructions on that, and you'll be able to control it from your Alexa or Google Assistant. All right, so when there's power to it, you can see there's a little blue light, and there's a couple ways you can turn this on. It does take 10 seconds or so to start up once you hit it, so you can do that. Hit the with the remote and use your up and down temperature. All right, so if I want to adjust the temperature, I'm going up and down there. Let me turn it off though, real quickly. And then let's see if the Smart Life app works with Google Assistant. So we happen to have a little Google guy here. Okay, Google, turn on the garage heater.
Okay, turning on heat storm infrared heater.
There you go, and it turned it on for us. And so if you didn't have your remote or lost it or whatever, this will take 10 minutes or so to heat up to the temperature that you want. So again, I think we're set on 68 or 67. I'm not sure if you can do it with Google. We can try. Okay, Google, change the temperature on the heater to 65.
Got it. Setting heat storm infrared heater to 65 degrees.
Oh, there you go. You can do it with Google, and it'll set the temperature for you. Pretty cool. So you wouldn't have to have this. All right, it's already up to 64 now. No, we have a big garage, and I just really meant for this to kind of be warm right here when we're seated in our little area here to play our PlayStation or whatnot, or watch TV. But if I need to get a second one, maybe I'll stick it on the other wall over there, doing the same thing. But if you have any questions, please comment below, and as always, please subscribe. All right, thanks.